Welcome to the solutions video for 4.01 assignment number 2. We are picking up where we left off with the next 10 IXL questions. Samantha is booking a Caribbean cruise holiday online. The website offers custom cruise packages, so Samantha has to make several decisions. She could choose from 4 departure ports and 3 start dates. Samantha also needs to choose one of the 3 durations. How many different cruises can she plan? 4 times 3 is 12, times another 3 makes 36. Carla is dressing a mannequin for a store window to show off a new line of men's clothing. Carla can choose from 10 different t-shirts, 3 styles of jeans. Each mannequin needs a jacket, and there's 7 jackets available. How many ways can Carla dress the mannequin? 10 times 3 is 30, times 7 is 210. And some of those may look terrible if the clothing doesn't match. Marie is making a short film. There are 6 leading actors and 3 leading actresses to choose from. For filming location, Marie has 7 options. And lastly, there's 2 video cameras that can be used. How many different ways can Marie cast this short film? Well, 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 7 would be the same as 20 times 7 minus 14. So that is 126 times 2 should be 252, if I'm doing the mental math correctly. Philippe, one of those. The music reporter for a secondary school newspaper is writing an article about this year's school musical, and he wants to interview 1 male and 1 female cast member, and there are 7 boys and 5 girls in the musical this year. How many different sets of people can be interviewed? 35. 7 times 5. Devin is at a music festival where several bands play at the same time. There are 5 bands playing from 3 to 4 and 5 bands playing from 4 to 5. From 5 to 6, 2 bands are playing. Lastly, there are 8 bands playing from 6 to 7. Assuming Devin goes to see exactly 1 band every hour, how many different sets of bands can Devin see at the music festival? 5 times 5 is 25, times another 2 is 50, times 8 makes 400. Olivia is ordering a sandwich from a deli. There are 5 types of meat to choose from and 7 bread choices. For the cheese, Olivia has 9 options. How many different sandwiches can Olivia order? So in this case, I'm going to do 9 times 7 first, because multiplying by 5 is easier mental math with double digits. So that's 63 times 5, which makes 315. Annie and her family are at the pet store getting supplies for a new cat, which they will be adopting from the animal shelter later today. The pet store has 9 kinds of food dishes and 5 kinds of cat food. If they can get 1 of each item, how many different combinations can they get? Well, that's 9 times 5, or 45 combinations. Harry needs to buy a corsage for his prom date. He can pick a color and a style from among the 8 colors and 4 styles available. How many different corsages can Harry design? 8 times 4 is 32. Zoe is making a pizza without tomato sauce, which is called a white pizza. Zoe will use one of 6 different crusts and one of 9 different cheeses for the topping. Next, Zoe wants to use 1 meat topping, and there are 9 meats available. The final touch will be one of the 6 vegetable toppings available. How many different white pizzas can Zoe make? So 6 times 9 is 54. And we have another 9 and another 6. So we are looking at 54 squared. So that's 50 plus 4 squared. So if we do that as the product of perfect squares, 50 times 50 is 2,500. 50 times 4 is 200. We have 2 of those, so that's 800. 50 times 4 is 200. 2 of those is 400, not 800. So 2,500 plus 400 is 2,900 plus 16. It should be 2,916 if I'm doing the mental math correctly, as apparently I am. Rihanna is putting together a makeup kit for a friend. There are 6 types of eyeshadow and 10 types of mascara to choose from. 6 times 10 is 60. For the concealer, Rihanna has 4 options. That's 240. And that is our second batch of 10 questions.